If you follow my channel, you know I like to occasionally do cooking videos. I often watch cooking content on YouTube and sometimes try to make stuff on there. This is something I saw on the Drew Cooks channel that we're going to try. Drew calls this his easy cheesy ground beef rice taco bake. I'm going to make a few alterations to it, but otherwise it's pretty much what he made on his channel. Got a couple of boxes of Mexican style rice. On his channel he used a can of his a jar of his favorite salsa. I'm going to substitute that with hot rotel with habaneros. We've got a little bit of chicken broth, a couple packages of Mexican cheese because I didn't know how much I was going to need, and 2 pounds of ground beef. He used only one on his channel, but I don't know. I thought ratio-wise 2 pounds would probably be better, so we're going to try that and see. Also got a couple packages of my favorite spicy taco seasoning from Siete. I just dropped 2 pounds of ground beef in my pan that was greased with beef tallow. We've got that ground beef broken up and browning, and we started the oven preheating. We're going to preheat that to 350. Alright, our beef is all browned. I'm going to add 2 packages of taco seasoning with 2 cups of water to it. Alright, we got that added. We're just going to cook it down. Alright, our meat is all done. We're going to take these 2 boxes of rice and put them in the dish. Alright, we got the rice and seasoning added. I just mixed in 2 cups of chicken broth. I just added in a can of hot rotel, and then I filled it up with water. And I'm adding that to it. I'm going to mix it all up. We got that all combined. We're going to add in our ground beef mixture. Alright, we got our ground beef mixture combined, and we left a little bit out that we're going to put on the top after we add the cheese, which we're going to do now. I ended up going extremely cheesy and adding both 8-ounce packages to the top of this. There, I sprinkled some of that meat I set aside on the top. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes after we cover it with foil. Alright, we got it covered with aluminum foil. We're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes. There we go. I just uncovered it. It's been cooking for 45 minutes at 350. I'm now going to stick it back in the oven uncovered for another 20 minutes to brown the top and let it finish cooking. There we go. All nicely browned. Looks and smells good, doesn't it, Tam?
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's see if my fellow tattooed bearded guy on YouTube, Drew, set us with something good here or not. It looks promising. Oh! Get a napkin here because I know this is going to be hot. I'm going to have to wipe off my face. Alright, let's give her a try. This is our beefy cheesy taco bake. Our beefy cheesy rice taco bake. Woo! Oh, that was hot. But boy, it tastes good. That was hot as heck. Had to get a little drink of water. Let's try another bite. It looks and tastes so good. Cheese on there. Wow. That is really good. Well, thank you, Drew. I'm going to try making your chicken version of it in the future. Don't you think that'd be good, Tam?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try another bite. Wow. Very good and very easy to make. Tammy had a good suggestion. We thought we'd break up some Doritos and put it on it. Add a little crunch.
Numb?
That's exactly what it needed. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
I'm going to add some onion and some other stuff to mine.
Sour cream.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this would also be good. I just scooped into a tortilla and folded it up like a burrito.
Oh, for sure.
That made it, Tammy.
Mm.
See ya. Very good and very easy to make. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You get email notifications when our new videos come out. Bye from myself, my perpetually beautiful bride behind the camera.
Bye, guys. Have a great day.
See ya.
This isn't a circus. It's where the Hatters gather. Some are mad, others are glad. But at the Gentleman's Round Table, there's always a conversation to be had. Join us Tuesday, August 4th at 7:30 p.m. Central, 8:30 p.m. Eastern, as we welcome glad Hatters. Pull up a chair. We would be glad to have you. From somewhere beyond the brim, beyond the smoke, and just past 7:30 p.m. Central, a gathering of gentlemen discussing Cap's culture and whatever else drifts into the night. The Gentleman's Round Table. Every Tuesday, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, where the conversation goes beyond the caps.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.